So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about a very good command. I think it's better command. In this video we are going to learn about the command burst, which is right over here. It is very similar to the command explode, which is used to explode a block, but now I've brought a better thing for you, that is burst command, which is as similar as explode command. But what happens in this explode command is that the layers are not retained from the block, but in the burst command, all the layers, all the colors, all the, even if there is a block inside a block, it will get burst. But in explode you have to do that multiple times. So burst is just a better way to better and an alternative way to do it. So for burst, first we are going to do is that we are going to make this thing as a block. So just let's say block, just enter any name you want. Let's say I'm having CAD comrade and just press enter. So now you can see that this has become a block right now. So for now that we want to burst block, we have to select the block and then write the command as you would have guessed, the command burst, and just press enter. And yeah, that's it. Your all the layers, which is, let's say this dimension is in the def layer, then this is in the wall layer, maybe this will be in the glass layer, yeah, so this is in the window layer. Everything will be retained as it was and nothing will be disturbed in this, and it is just a better way to do it. So I think that's it for the video. I just wanted to tell you that burst command is a better alternative than an explode, so for a block. So yeah, that's it for the video, and share it with someone who may need it. Yeah, thank you.